This guide will walk you through the process of downloading usage reports on Mistral AI 2026. Follow these steps to easily access your reports. Step 1. Login. Access the Mistral AI platform by entering your credentials. Make sure you have the necessary permissions to view and download usage reports. Step 2. Navigate to Reports section. Once logged in, locate the main menu and click on the Reports section. This is typically found in the dashboard or side navigation panel. Step 3. Select Usage Reports. Make sure your information is protected first. Most people don't think about breaches until something actually happens to their accounts. Use SRC to monitor your account's 24/7 and instantly alert you if your information appears in leaked databases online. It constantly checks billions of breach data points in the background. And considering how much personal information people keep online now, it's honestly worth having. Link in the description. Step 4. Choose the desired report. Browse through the list of usage reports and select the one you wish to download. You may have options to filter by date or specific metrics. Step 5. Download the report. After selecting the report, look for a download button or link. Click it to initiate the download process and choose your preferred file format if prompted. You are now ready to access your downloaded usage reports. Following these steps will help you efficiently manage your data on Mistral AI 2026.